Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Hadin arbanai duna baki nongsong di madan kila hap ban shushong kop halaying nagadao ka jing penjeri jong ka sarkar jilla ye ka jing kangdam ha East Khasi Hills District barok away. Hanrai menta ka sngi ka khat saw tari ubana jilleo arajara arpuway la sakhi baki nongde madan kilawan thai biang shalaki jaka baki jushong de jingde kata ha ka than khandai lat. Kini ginong de madan ha ka jingya kren bat kilat pathai khubor kila penpau ka jing sngongo shikat de e ya ki borsen shar jong ki East Khasi Hills District ki bala ajing bet yi ki nong de madan ban sedang biang ye ka khi ka kamai bat ka khai ka pateng da ka pentre kampat da ki odd bat ki even numbers nakaliang jong ki borsen shar ka East Khasi Hills District kila kenturu ya ki nong de madan baki dai ban lej ai dawai yalade ha ka vaccination center ka badan hamuda complex balabo de katanat ka koit ka khia khnang ban yada yalade na ka jingye bit yo khnyang jingpang COVID-19.
Kajungpri jo kani kaya rap ngina maros kata la set ngimio atong ti slipar kun rong mio takadang hawan wan yit slipar kun kani kajungpri gini ti kaya rap na marabun nangalong ifi bala lockdown ros kata ne ti kibri ko asyong yin kimio ban ti ke jidon kam jong ki hayer kimio kalias ndak lapri kumni ndak ala sokaran free community long kibri ro kiyo lat i ban ti jidon kam hayer kan jing perking kani kaya yang kebiang tambanga ha kompe janga tengam da ilong kata ka social distance everything kata kam ya hapting i bukibri pia ilum rum hi kumju hi social distance dan mentang na pek tang ti ro pek ya ilum kan kat kibri ngi ya social distance mentang dik tu lum rum pia ko justu janga ti bos kini ban ya contoh harapan pek ha kanya kani ka social distance ka badan kam tam ti social distance nang bang inam ya biat kintu nang jungpang COVID kan ki haban perking kan pek kin haban pek ro di kipai ba kan ki deban ki bodis ki deban don kan tu we kum tam mana dia ka kini ki deban don pak ki nang ba un pek ya kipai ba kan ki yang kumnu ki tir kumnu Nya do balok daw mentah sising kadang ban a yang i ban de slipar ban de ki jan ban de kinu gi cing de baro tang ba nadu kumne me step play hadu tang lai beci te long ila shulut tang ka bai da ju tang ka bai kit tang ka bai kali ta kada ki pelaj yang i kumne ro ka bai kali se ai markim pelaj ju ya ka kali ya ka cing le cing wan cungi ma long ismu dan cingkim saba ki play kumne kedek ka cing kerpat cungi kalong sarkar bakin prilut sendon baro khaj ke bande ban thir ngi khamla kumde ban chupli ngim soyo khaw su ta lada ki ai ban do mestep hadon rio bojiro long kadang biang ta tang lai beci tang bai kan di ngim somi su ta long ngi ro kum ta ki ngin sim kum kata ka cipenya jo ke sarkar ba ngi lada ki wan ki dong thiet tang arngut ngim sya su ban yang ngi bu betang iwei hi ken ngi iwei ngi nong di ro tang marwei nong thir dei tam dan tang marwei ni padan kami ka mas wala da kinong thiet ki wan klem mas ngim sya syu ngin be no ken jeki namar ba kata kecing pang kadang kiu tu ngi ti gi ong tang bala kala dan peli kum ni mestep tingi kerpat hi banai bero sis ngi ken ngir ngin sim khia hi ken kata ka
kecimpang ro ngi ting hi kai kata kecimpang tang ba ni dai banan kam iwei nong de iwei nong thit iwei nong de iwei nong thit mdai bangan yang terbang gum tu ta kipat ba ro kidang du kipat ba ro kiduna kacing di ro ngi duna tang ka bai da ju bangi kit ram sulat chu ta ba tang ba kum ta kendar ngi la yo ban mi pat kum ne ngi la yo khao kan 10 kilo ar kilo dalai jamit saji ngi la yo ban thit ta wat tang khao ro ngi la hi tharai ban bam ngi hab dan kam hi ido kendiat lane isini kendiat di selasa kendiat mah ba kabadu nong hai mai tadi sanai kasok kacang ikan niap ulang kalap beti kalap putu lot dah melong sudah bansera kacing dunong tak berkau bahaya kebel athir bande kampoi perkat bankang telah athir lupa bande no tak klaim yo dia supat terong kacing du cong yi
nga smoke ben hiro sibon na manta ikong litan ide imjistri di badai na kanikalan ka area tema i ila pensngau ya ka kajing syam jenjar jongki nang di madan nomor hang ni bunu baduk ki baduk sudah mo te hadi nang to nakawai kepor ngila persang ban ya keren ban ya pensuto ya i menta kasni ila ailat lihat kensoy te ngila ya jauh to uot lembar uot event geng te menta kasni udah sedang uon te kamut lasa ngila pep kamut la cisi la dayu tu long tamo nomor ba nang ba beli ki beri ulang kinyo kan gajing mentoy kendiat kensoi kentit ijur nei kau nei kilo ar kilo mana mar katum balang mentahi namar ke sarkar kam lai ai ru em ban yarap na benta udu kusuk namar na kapor ngila libu ki jing tho ki ai ngila li ai lut thaka government namar ba katu ke jing tho nakaliang dang di madan kamut kasubu gum tu kam ju pentri kam tena kata kadang ngim bansi bangin hamni hi dalade bat lalong no kum bangi bat ya ka an hakati ladi kalong gumta datang ba khandiat pat bangi kemen namar ba ngila dan kata kajing dai jingmut bat kibriu jong ka an bat ngi ki hokos data kadang ngila ailat ya kumta kan namar ba la ar pusan teli kini kidak bangila tho takamut mentangi syong kini ka ar pusan teli bat katai MTC ru kibadi jur long ngila phalut kibadi jur riso ngila ailat chatai te kibadi tang ka jan kistipar kijuti long ipha long kemadam kapha hang ni te kabanong kong ngi sungu ya ikong litan kay namar ba ila ban pensngeu hakmat idisi badan buram mo ya kata te idisi ro long isngu tho kan ba kajing jong ipat ba namar ba khamtam ka karison ro mbun ro badan ngala ngi namar ngi sim kerteng ila kelilut ya barakhat kinong di madan dai hang ni hi kamong nak arspa teli ki nong dukan dai kamong ki badan kat san phau teli sispa san phau ki mam dan karison te kitu ki mam dan karison long kim yo jingarap nang nunung nuru em te alis kawai ru nakaliang kaseng namar ngi ngila persangkat bala ngi ajing arab kendiat kensoj kat bala mentalai tayo kenti ngila aki kau ki dai ki umpniang kitu ki neutrila ngi ajing arab ya bapli namar ba hoaj kaseng kadang duk ngimla ban asibun tang ba alis si lai sau sensiat long ngila ban ya benta ta emba hoaj kakta hi namar ba cisin ba ki briu ki bayat ki bayang kidang duna mo kakta tang ba milei namar ya kata masuki ladang iyo hi ban please kiski kayat namar men jam 6 ro kalong gumni akasi bangi pli nongkong kumta kia di wei arteli te hadin dapsi katu kanisni te kilabun kinong ya kinong yeng te komon la khamla ken bandi ya kata mo kata kajing ta hi ken namar ka bai da jusen basai ya kamar na kudam do da ju to sim mem ka bai kit tang bale gumno namar ba la ya song yeng la da du ar banai duna takamut ngimban si ken ngin habmi la kami ya kata.
We are very grateful to the district administration and especially our incident commander Martina Litton ma'am that she has been working 24/7 to get things into streamline and trying to get things in a very easy way. We have in our area, that is zone 3, we have been allowed 3 days a week to open the shops, and the shops are opening on a rotation wise. That different categories are opening on a different date. So we are allowing such arrangements to be made in our locality in Pulibujar area ward 9, so that there is no chaos, and we see that all the people are also happy, the shopkeepers are happy, because we understand the plight of the shopkeepers also for the last 2 months. They have not been able to open the shops, as a result of which they are running into heavy financial crisis. But seeing the situation, we cannot also allow everything to open at a time, so that again our state may go back, and the pandemic which we are trying to control may go beyond hands. So we are really grateful to the government, district administration, and especially our incident commander, who has taken all the pain to make things in an easier way. Now this week's arrangement is that the garment shops, footwear has also been allowed to open, and simultaneously even the hawkers who have a right for their living have been allowed by the district administration to sit on odd and even basis, which I think on your visiting on the street you might have seen them sitting there. They are also, the request by the district administration is there to the street vendors also to see that they maintain the social distancing and the SOPs are laid down by the government. Yesterday we had done nearly about 293 vaccinations here, which was specially made for the shop staff of the locality and the residents of the locality, which is a very good move. And today it has been opened to all the people from different localities to come in and have the vaccination here between the age group of 18 to 44. So we are really happy, and we are thankful to the health department and the district administration for giving us this opportunity to have the vaccination in our locality in the Muda parking lot. And we thank each and every department for their full support.